And welcome back to another video. I've not been uploading on this channel for quite a while now. My apologies, and I will try to be more consistent. So today I will break down a trade I took on Euro USD for 12 hours. Lately I am only trading Euro USD and it has definitely helped me find quality setup and improved my win rate. So let's look at the higher time frame first. So I was expecting price to break above these highs. So right before the price took out this high, it gave a fake BOS to the downside. And I was expecting price to tap into at least the daily high of the previous day. These highs and lows are very reactive in combination with liquidity. So you can see this is the overall push down of this entire leg. So as soon as the price taps into the high of the previous day, let's go down to 1 minute and delete this first. So as soon as the price taps into the high of the previous day, I saw the reaction and I took a long from here. It was just 2 pip stop loss and I was targeting these highs. I took 25% partial at 1:4.5 and the rest till this high. If you're a beginner, you should stay away from such entries. You should at least wait for the price to take out this high and then you can enter over here and you will still be able to secure a 5-hour trade, which is pretty solid. And I took more entries later in the day, and this was the other entry I took later in the day, and it was approximately a 10-hour trade with some partial, of course. And there was also one re-entry which I personally did not enter because I was already in this trade, and this was approximately 6.5 hour. So I think this is it from me today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.